Most organisations have competency models, but very few have competency models that actually work. In this video, I'll walk you through what a good competency model looks like, the problems that cause them to fail, and the 5 traits that make them practical and usable, not just a document on a shelf. Let's start with why most models fail. There are 5 common problems. They're too generic, too complicated, not linked to real work, missing behavioural indicators, or simply too hard for managers to use. And if managers can't use the model in assessment or development planning, it won't influence performance or capability at all. So what is a competency model? A competency model defines the knowledge and skills needed to perform a role effectively. It should guide assessment, development succession, and performance conversations. Most importantly, it must reflect the actual work, not generic HR language. A good model becomes the backbone for how you manage capability across the organisation. The first trait of a good model is role relevance. The competencies must map directly to the role's responsibilities and real-world tasks. If a competency could describe any job, anywhere, then it's not useful. The best models speak the language of the work, not buzzwords. Second, a good model includes clear behavioural indicators. These describe what good performance looks like in practice. They make assessments objective instead of opinion-based. Managers don't have to guess, they can observe behaviour and compare it to the indicators. And employees understand exactly what they're developing toward. Third, you need proficiency levels. Not everyone needs to operate at an expert level. Proficiency levels let you set expectations by role seniority, foundation, intermediate, advanced, or expert, for example. This makes development and career progression clear, structured, and measurable. Fourth, and this is where many organisations get stuck, a good competency model keeps competency separate from capability. Capability is qualifications, certifications, training and experience. Competency is demonstrated performance and behaviour. When has completed a course is mixed with can apply the skills safely and effectively, the model becomes inaccurate. Separating the two is essential for consistent and fair assessment. And finally, the model must be usable and practical. It should be simple to understand, easy to navigate, and written in plain language. If a model needs a 40-page manual to explain itself, people simply won't use it. Usability is more important than completeness. A few pitfalls to avoid. Copy-paste models downloaded from the internet. Competency lists that are too long. Roles with duplicated or overlapping competencies. And models that never get updated when work evolves. A good competency model is living, not locked. So, how do you actually build a model that works? You start with the role's responsibilities, then identify the knowledge and skills required, draft behavioural indicators for each competency, and add proficiency levels if needed. Then test the model with managers and subject matter experts, refine it, publish it, and align it to your assessment and development processes. This keeps the model grounded in real work, not theory. If you'd like templates, examples, or a step-by-step guide to building competency models, you'll find more in the resources link below. Meantime, thanks for watching, and in the next video, we'll look at how capability, competency, and performance come together to support evidence-based individual development planning.